are we going on this big group ride? Princeton, yes sir. We're going to Princeton, everybody. So if you don't know what's in Princeton, I don't either. Like, I really don't. I'm just going there because all of my friends are. As you guys may or may not be aware, I'm actually a YouTube partner now. So you'll see ads on my videos because I'm like a big baller now. So if you aren't already, subscribe, like, comment, and give me my views. Give me my views. I mean, if you want no ads, just get YouTube Premium, right? I still get a cut as long as people have... If people have YouTube Premium too. This guy's always dressed in for the ride, right? And not the slide. He does the opposite of what the freaking actual saying is. Man, my Insta 360 is supposed to come in today, but I don't know where it's at. Oh shit. Dude, once we reach the highway, that's where the fun starts. You guys are in for a treat on the highway. Oh, that's where the fun starts, guys. There's a car up there. God, what is that, Mount Baker? Oh my god, that's Mount Baker. That's the United States right there. Right now we're in Canada, in like the Fraser Valley region, but that's Mount Baker right there. America, guys. Washington. Mount Baker, Washington. We could.
Go like this.
Yeah, just go diagonal right here. Where are you going? What the fuck? He always wants to be different from the rest, right? Gotta stand out a little bit. Gotta be unique.
Yeah, I know what
Is he coming back here? What's he doing? Oh no, he's actually parking there. Weird. Okay, we out here. First stop, food truck. Got the whole squad going. I'm starving. I didn't even have breakfast yet. What are you gonna get?
Probably just a wrap, bro. Spicy, right?
Chicken shawarma wrap?
Yeah.
Can I get the chicken shawarma wrap? Got the food here. Right? Got the donair, chicken shawarma. Do a quick little taste test.
Order them online. There's just one website. It has literally every part of like every bite. Like it's a rep.
Solid 5. Too much lettuce.
There's a lot of lettuce there.
Damn, bro. That shit was pretty trash, not gonna lie. And now I low-key gotta take a shit too. Yo, when you come out here, I swear, nobody knows how to put flavor into food out here, bro. Deadass. Last place we ate at in Chilliwack, garbage. This place, garbage. So now we're headed up to the mountain, bro, like at the top. Honestly, I'm not really into that type of stuff, guys, but all these guys want to go, so I'm tagging along, you know. Might as well get a ride in, you know, get a nice little vlog in for y'all. I can't reach that far, man. Yo, what the fuck? He couldn't reach the kill switch, right? So he went for the keys. Should I hit his kill switch? No, I'm just joking. That guy would pistol whip me, man. Wow, that's beautiful. Tell me, is that not beautiful? And there's a bridge there too. Where does that bridge take us? Yeah, pass me that too, yo. Fuck. My camera still on? It is. Hey, what's up, guys? My freaking fuel was flashing, but now he's filling up here. Ooh, smell of gas. I kind of like it, to be honest. Wow, yo, this is scary, bro. Woo! We finally made it to our destination. This is the view. Absolutely stunning. Now, was it worth it? Y'all tell me. Comment down below. Was the view worth it? The 4-hour drive to get up here, was it worth it? There's a lot of squirrels over here and birds. Yellow pine chipmunk. They're so cute too. Clark's nutcracker. Bro, my nuts were cracking on the way up here, man. Oh, look. Mox Peaks, USA. Skyline Ridge. Red Mountain. You sure that's USA?
No, that one right here. Mox Peaks, USA. That one. The peaks that you see back there.
Oh. This is US. Mount Hoselmeen. Mount Frosty. All of this is pretty much USA, bro. That's beautiful. But damn. That lineup, though. That's good. Yo.
What is that?
Oh shit! Where'd it go? It's crawling. Oh, it's up your leg. It's up your leg. That's funny. Yo, move out of the way.
Time to go.
Hey, look up. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching.
Thanks so much for watching.
We'll see you in the next video. Like and subscribe. Yeah. One more look at the view. Gorgeous.